This is Team Vislipodo and this is our project Certificate Maker. In this project we can send dynamically generated certificates to students who participate in certain competition and in certain events. So this is a small authentication just to prevent some anonymous user who want to generate some fake certificate. So I am entering my password. So this is the account credentials from whom account the certificate is sent to students. For now I am skipping this, and this is our main menu of Certificate Maker. In this I am selecting one dummy template over here, and then I am uploading this. Now our template is uploaded and here is our template. Now I am entering a participant name, for example John Doe, and some font size, some x-axis. This is basically the axis where the text is going to display, and some y-axis. Let's say I am entering 900, and now I'm previewing how this is being looking. This is look like something like this, but I want a little vertically down, so I'm changing my y-axis over here, and now it's looking good. For making changes I have to just click on the save button. Now my certificate is being saved. Here is John Doe, and we have certain columns like event name, result, but according to my dummy I have to put date and signature only. So in date column, for example I entered 1 November. For font size I am entering 44. In x-axis I am entering 1100, and over here I am entering 1330. I am previewing here. It's look good. I am saving this. Now our date is also saved. For sign I am uploading one dummy sign. Basically I have an autograph of MS Dhoni as a dummy sign, so I am uploading it. Our template is uploaded for sign. For sign we have also specified the x-axis and y-axis. I am taking it 1670. For y-axis I am taking 1200. So now previewing it. Oh, it's look good, and I'm just saving it. Our template is modified. It's look like something this. So here I can save this certificate locally. Our certificate is downloaded. Now I can open it over here. Our certificate is look like this, or we can save as PDF file. I am downloaded here. Our PDF file is downloaded and I can open it. So this is our PDF file. And another main feature of this project is we can send certificates through mail. For this we have to set up first sender's mail. So in set sender's email, over here I entered my email and password. I'm continuing from here. Now the send as email button is enabled. From here I am sending a certificate to me as a dummy certificate test. I am sending certificate as an image or as an PDF also. I am sending. It's processing. It's sending mail. It takes little amount of time. For it, my mail certificate is sent as a mail. I'm checking over here. So my certificate is here from dummy certificate. Here is my two certificate. One in PDF format and other in image format. Thank you.